A customized reversible swing, long handles, and grooves in the wardrobe designs are few of the elements in this beautiful 3 BHK home that will catch your attention. Hello, I am Amrit, and we at Chic Spaces believe in bespoke interiors is the only right way of doing home interiors. My favorite part of the house is this beautiful TV unit and a lovely console table in the drawing room. What is yours? Do let us know in the comments below about your favorite chic space. Thank you.